Assalamualaikum. My next and new topic, the extension of two variable linear regression model, lecture number 7. Regression through the origin. The case of regression through the origin, that is situation where the intercept term beta 1 is absent from the model. When the two variable population regression function assume that the following form yi is equals to beta 2 xi plus ui. Beta 1 is absent. In this model, the intercept term is absent or 0, hence the linear regression through the origin. You see the beta 1 is absent. Let us first write the sample regression function SRF yi is equals to beta 2 head xi plus ui head. Now applying the ordinary least square overlap method, beta 2 is equal to summation xi yi over summation xi square. Variance of beta 2 head is equal to sigma square divided by summation xi ka square, where the sigma square is estimated by the summation ui divided by n minus 1. I read this previously lectures, you see this explained. It is interesting to compare these formulas with those obtained when the intercept term is included in this model. Beta 2 head is equal to summation xi yi over summation xi ka square. Beta 2 head of variance and sigma square over summation xi ka square. Scaling and units of measurement. Let us process systematically. You see this equation yi is equal to beta 1 head plus beta 2 head xi plus ui head. Y is equals to GDPI and y is equals to GDPI and the x is equals to GDP. You know the GDP. I is investment. yi is tariff is wi, xi is tariff is w scale, w2 xi. W1, w2 are constant. The relationship between the GDPI and the GDP, you see this equation for the example. To substitute the preceding theoretical, you see this both the GDPI and GDP in million of dollar. GDPI equation is minus 9 to 6.090 plus 0.2535 GDP. So you see the standard error and R square. R square is 0.9648 and both GDP scales is the GDPI had is same equation. You notice that the intercept as well as is 1000 times corresponding use of the regression. 1000 times corresponding regression. WI is equal to 1000 in going the billions on to $1 million. You see this the billions to million, but the slope coefficient is the 0.25 is and the standard error is unchanged with the theory. You see this the R square is the same, but the millions to convert the change in scales of GDPI. A word about interpretation. The slope coefficient beta 2 is simply the rate of change. It is as measured the unit of ratio. Unit of the dependent variable, unit of explanatory divided by the unit of explanatory variable. You see this example previous page. The interpretation of the slope coefficient is slope coefficient beta 2 is 0.2535 GDP. If that the change of a y unit is $1 billion, the GDPI on the average of 0.2535 billion dollar. $1 billion के चेंज होने से GDPI में 0.2535 billion dollar का चेंज आएगा. GDP will just the $1 million lead at the average of 0.000255 billion dollars change in GDPI. GDP के $1 million चेंज होने से GDPI में billion dollar चेंज आएगा जिसमें 0 देख सकते हैं. Regression of standardized variable. We are going to express the regressand and regressor as standardized variable. A variable is said to be standardized if we subtract the mean value of the variable from its individual value and divide the difference by the standard error, that is the variable. yi hat is equals to yi minus y hat divided by standard error, and the xi hat is equals to xi minus x hat is divided by standard error of x. X bar is the sample mean of y, or sy is sample standard deviation of y. X bar is equals to sample mean of x, and x is the sample standard deviation of x, are called the standardized variable. You see this equation, this is called the standardized variable of regression. yi and y minus y hat divided by standard error, and the xi minus x hat divided by standard error. Functional form of a regression model. We discussed the following regression models. There are the four regression models: the log linear model, semi-log model, reciprocal model, and the logarithmic reciprocal model. This is for functional form regression model, and more explained next page. How to measure the elasticity? The log linear model. The log linear model, by the way, the measure of elasticity. Consider the following model known as the exponential regression model. yi is equals to beta 1 xi beta 2 square में है, and EUI, which may be expressed alternatively as. This is the log linear model, so the equation is the same: log ln represented ln yi is equals to ln beta 1 plus beta 2 ln xi plus ui. Ln is the natural log. You see this, and E is equals to 2.718. If we write equation is ln yi is equals to alpha plus beta 2 ln alpha xi plus ui, where the alpha is ln beta 1 is equals to the alpha is ln log beta 1 है, and this is the model of linear with the parameter alpha, and alpha and beta जो है parameters of linear logarithm है. Variable y and x can be estimated by the OLS regression, also called log linear. You see this equation: yi hat is yi steric is equals to the alpha plus beta 2x steric I plus ui. This is the equation of the log linear model. How to measure the growth rate, the log lin model. हमने पहले पढ़ा कि द लॉग लीनियर मॉडल को कैसे फाइंड करते हैं. उसमें हम इलास्टिसिटी फाइंड करते हैं. अब इसमें हमें ग्रोथ रेट फाइंड करना है. तो इसमें है कि गवर्नमेंट्स आर ऑफन इंटरेस्टेड इन फाइंडिंग आउट the rate of growth certain economic variables such as the population, GNP, money supply, employment, productivity, and the trade deficit. YT denotes the real expenditures on service, and time T under U. Y not the initial value of expenditure on services. Equation YT is equals to particle Y naught 1 plus R whole T, where the R is the compound over time the rate of growth of Y. R is rate of growth. Taking the natural log, अब हमने इसके ऊपर ही नेचुरल लॉग लिया है, तो ln yt इज इक्वल टू ln y नॉट प्लस t ln 1 plus r. Beta 1 is equals to ln y naught and beta 2 is equals to ln 1 plus r. So this equation is new. ln yt is equals to beta 1 plus beta 2 t. Adding the disturbance terms, so this new equation create log natural log yt is equals to beta 1 plus beta 2t plus ut. T is the time series data I discussed previously lectures, and I is the cross sectional data. So this is data is time series. Linear trend model. Sometime estimate the following model: yi is equal to beta 1 plus beta 2 t plus ui. That is, instead of regressing the log of y on time, they agree y on time, where y is the regressant under consider. Such a model is called a linear trend model. and the time variable t is known as the trend variable. T is also known as the trend variable. This equation, you see this, the time series data and the recurrent of y when under the consideration. The Lin log model, the percentage growth in yi for the absolute change in x. Y is absolute change in x. Suppose we want to find the absolute change in y for the percent change in x. You see this equation, yi is equals to beta 1 plus beta 2 log xi plus ui, such as called the Lin log model. Let us interrupt the slope coefficient beta 2 is equals to change in y divided by change in log n. Natural log is x. Reciprocal model, you see this model of the following types are the reciprocal model. yi is equals to beta 1 plus beta 2. This equation of reciprocal so that the 1 over xi plus ui. This model is non-linear in the variable of x because it's enter the inversely on reciprocal. The model is linear, but beta 1 and beta 2 in x increase, the beta 2 1 over xi approaches 0, and the x is decreased, the beta 2 is 1 over xi is negative. So I have not discussed log hyperbola and logarithm reciprocal model in the following form. Natural log x yi is equals to beta 1 minus beta 2 1 over xi plus ui. You see this equation also the more functional form, but this new equation is all the positive equation, but this is the negative equation. Y initially increased at increasing rate, but increase at decreasing rate. You see this the choice of the functional form. Modules दिए हुए हैं linear, log lin log, reciprocal and log reciprocal. This is the equations. All the equation. इससे हमने स्लोप निकालनी है और इससे हमने उसकी इलास्टिसिटी फाइंड करनी है. इस लेक्चर में इसको मैंने डिस्कस नहीं किया इतना, इसकी सिर्फ फॉर्म्स बता दी कि स्लोप क्या है, कि लीनियर की स्लोप इज बीटा 2 एंड ये सबको पता है बीटा 2 एंड इलास्टिसिटी इज बीटा 2 x over y and the log linear model is equation the L and y is equal to beta 1 plus beta 2 L and x. Slope is beta 2 y over x and the elasticity is beta 2 inversely. Log ln is the equation and the slope is beta 2 y, but the elasticity are the same but not the least at beta 2 x static. Ln log is the slope of beta 2 1 over x and the elasticity beta 2 1 over y. Reciprocal is the minus beta 2 1 over x का square, but the elasticity is minus beta 2 1 over xy static. Reciprocal and log reciprocal beta 2 y over x square, beta 2 1 over x is elasticity. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you understand this video. And me query, please comment me and subscribe and like. Don't forget.